Thanks FlexSeal for sponsoring this video and powering our science mission. Hi, I'm Mark from Team Dominator. I'm going to make this pen with Flex Superglue. Off to Home Depot. Easy to find with the red and yellow packaging. Flex Superglue comes in two varieties, liquid which is thinner and gel which is thicker. I'm using maple, burdock and walnut for wood. And I also need a pen kit. First I cut the wood, then I sand it flat. I'm using Flex Superglue gel because it's made extra thick and does not run or drip. Then I leave it to dry overnight. Next day I trim it to size. It's now a pen blank, so I drill a hole down the centre. I need to break up the pen blank into pieces so that I can make the puzzle pattern. I glue each piece, rotating as I go. I then seal completely with Flex Superglue liquid to work its way into the gaps. Here's the final result. Next I sand to take the corners off, then place it on the lathe. This step is called roughing and makes the blank round. Then I use a skewed chisel to finish the shape. Then I sand from 150 to 600 grit. Now I use Flex Superglue liquid to create a hard, polished finish. I apply glue to the shop towel and drip the glue on top of the blank. Then I spray on some CA accelerator. The process is repeated 15 times. Then I wet sand from 1500 to 12,000 grit. Finally, I apply some plastic polish. The last stage is assembling the pen. See how shiny the pen is. Thank you for watching. Flex on.